Welcome back to the Tech Library, your technological resource for the best technology content. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for iPhone users. What are the steps that you need to follow in order to change your restrictions passcode? Perhaps you have forgotten it, or perhaps you want to alter it. There are ways in which you can find out permanently. Well, let's first understand, in a clear and concise manner, what is intended by the restrictions passcode. Apple has a 4-digit passcode that operates and assists a user to manage specific options and activities on the iPhone, including app downloads and in-app purchases. Very useful for parents that try to control their children, and for everybody who would like to limit the possibility to get to some functions. Firstly, if there are issues with the iCloud connection, then an interesting way which Apple allows is shown below to reset this value. You should then touch on the physical frame of the iPhone and then touch on the settings icon, which appears on the home screen of the device. Keep on scrolling down to the end of the menu and then tapping on the last one that is named as Screen Time. On the next window, make sure to hover your finger lightly over the label that describes it as Change Screen Time Passcode. Select Forgot Passcode. It will ask you for your credit card details and also the Apple ID associated with the credit card. If you forget the established passcode, use the touchscreen to perform passcode reset. Relaxing, changing your restrictions passcode will not cause any impact to the information stored in your iPhone. To proceed with the reset, make sure that you have all the essentials like the Apple ID credentials at hand. After changing the passcode, you should then enter the new restriction passcode that you have known, but at the same time, it should be a secure one. And that's saying something. It is therefore safe to change iPhone restrictions passcode since it enables you to effectively continue customizing the iPhone setting as needed. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to Tech Library to get more similar content related to useful technological advice. Do you have any questions or topics you would like me to include in the presentation? Put them in the comment section below this post. Thanks for watching.